Is there, in French.
Y a-t-il?
Travel phrase for English learners. Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, welcome. Let's make French clear, useful, and fun today. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more lessons and freebies at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today's power question is there, in French.
Y a-t-il?
Imagine a three-note question jingle, ta-ta-ta, rising on.
Y a-t-il?
To spot a deal on a hill, just ask.
Y a-t-il?
Your goal today. By the end, you'll ask for what you need anywhere you go. You'll master the crisp, formal inversion.
Y a-t-il?
Recognize the everyday cousin.
Est-ce qu'il y a?
And anchor it to the statement.
Il y a.
Forms. Statement to question. Hear the flip from statement to question and back. Statement.
Il y a.
Equals there is, there are. Question by inversion.
Y a-t-il?
Equals is there. Neutral question.
Est-ce qu'il y a?
Equals is there. Negation.
Il n'y a pas.
Equals there isn't, there aren't. Chain it. Il y a. Yat il. Il n'y a pas. Dialogue at the station. Play along, repeat the French after me. Traveler. Excuse me.
Y a-t-il?
Un bus pour le centre-ville? Is there a bus to the city center? Clerk. Yes, right around the corner. Traveler. Great. And.
Y a-t-il?
Des toilettes à proximité? Is there a bathroom nearby? Clerk. Down the hall, follow the baguette statue. It might whisper, "Pay it être." At the café, you ask.
Y a-t-il?
Une option végétarienne? Is there a vegetarian option? Server.
Bien sûr.
Also, free water?
Il y a.
Carafes on the counter. Call and response drill. I say the English, you fire back the French after the pause. Is there a bus to the city center? Answer.
Y a-t-il?
Un bus pour le centre-ville. Is there a bathroom nearby? Answer.
Y a-t-il?
Des toilettes à proximité. Is there a vegetarian option? Answer.
Y a-t-il?
Une option végétarienne. Bonus neutral form. Is there a metro near here? Answer.
Est-ce qu'il y a?
Un métro près d'ici. Culture tip. Polite options. Sound polite and clear even when you're in a hurry. In cafes and shops, the inverted
Y a-t-il?
is formal and precise. The everyday go-to is.
Est-ce qu'il y a?
Add a please.
S'il vous plaît.
And a friendly gesture. Raise your hand slightly, palm up, eyebrows lifted, then ask.
Y a-t-il?
Mini quiz. Quick check. Say it out loud. How do you say, is there, with inversion? Answer.
Y a-t-il?
What is the statement form of there is, are, in French? Answer.
Il y a.
Which one is the neutral equivalent? Answer.
Est-ce qu'il y a?
Chain it. Statement. Question. Negation. Answer. Il y a. Yat il. Il n'y a pas. Challenge. Your turn. Make it real today. At a bakery that smells like heaven, ask.
Y a-t-il?
Des croissants phrase, or neutrally.
Est-ce qu'il y a?
Des croissants phrase. Then hum the jingle. Ta ta ta. Merci and see you. Nice work, you crushed it. Thanks for learning with us. Thanks for listening to Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing.
Y a-t-il?
All day, ask your fridge if there's cake. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more English to French lessons, downloads, and quizzes.
À bientôt.